Hey, what is up, guys? I was planning to do a backtesting session on NQ for quite some time now, so I got the time today. What I'll be doing is I'll make a session in front of you guys. I'm using TradeZilla for that. Pretty handy tool. I got it on a discount from a channel. I don't remember the name. I got it like a few months ago, but I got it for a year, so I have it. It's a good tool. I like it. Not promoting it, just some preference that I like it. So the whole idea of the backtesting is that I trade Nasdaq only. So what I will do is, this is the month of May, and I will go back last year 2024, open Nasdaq charts and do some backtesting with ICT concepts. So let's go ahead and create the session. What do we call it? I will do micro Nasdaq backtesting May 2024. Description: trade New York AM session. Any playbook? I will use the forever model. I'll let you know what the forever model is. Futures, micro Nasdaq, MNQ. Yeah. Starting balance should be 50,000 because I'm also doing an evaluation account, which is $50,000. And I want to start 2024 May 1st and at 2024 May 31st. Okay, let's start. Also, I want to do some sort of settings here. I want to do a start of New York session, which should be, I get on charts around 9. Yeah, that's good. Save. It's Wednesday, May 1st. What's happening? Let's go to that session. Start of New York session. 9. Let's see what's happening on 4-hour chart. We just took our liquidity, 4-hour break of structure, coming back into the order block. Just respected this fair value gap. First, we have to make the narrative of the week. It's Wednesday. Tuesday was a bearish candle. Monday was bullish. Come up, fill up this gap. We'll retest the gap and go down. Let's see what happens. Let's note down some key areas here. This area. And then we have hourly fair value gap over here. Let me make it a bit desirable. Orange. Let's do orange. Why is it so fat? Okay. This is okay. Okay. A fair value gap, hourly fair value gap. Let's go down to, let's also note down, let me go down to 5-minute first. Note down 8, 9:30, 10. Okay. Let's see what happens until 9:30. Okay. So between 9:30 and 10, these are all the things I'm going to tell you in the start, but over time I won't be repeating them. I am looking for a first presented fair value gap on a 1-minute chart. So I'm going to let it play. Oh, a little bit to speed. Let's go down. Next minute. Okay. Now at this point, I want to see what happened in those 30 minutes. Mm, this is the first fair value gap that we got. This one, which was a bullish, got disrespected. We are in a 10-minute window, so usually I go up to a 15-minute chart and see what's happening. We also disrespected a 15-minute fair value gap here. Go down to 5-minute, and we did a 5-minute break of structure as well, which is really important here. So at this point, what I'm doing is we have taken out internal liquidity, break of structure, going up and down. We made a small fair value gap here. If like I was live here, I would have taken this trade around here. But since I missed it, because I was trying to quickly go past it, I want to look for another bearish entry because I'm a little bit bearish at the moment here. And remember, it's okay to be wrong, because that's how you learn. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. These, oh, okay, look at this. Okay, because of this, I'm very bearish. But let's see. Let me see. I would enter here on this, honestly. So just one candle back. Let's see, how wrong am I? What is that indicator showed here? Here, I would do this high as my stop. And I want to go here. I will go to orders, create this order. I want to do 10 contracts. Why is reward 830 and risk? What is happening here? Something is wrong with the chart, with this chart. Anyways, I want to do this. I want to sell 10 here. Oh, look at this. This is wrong. It's showing me here. Why? I want to move this and see if it changes anything. No, it's not changing anything. Oh, okay. Once profit is 17412, stop loss is 17500, market price, not market limit, bro. What the hell? Okay. Okay, now it's good. I was like, what's happening? Let's go next. We fill the order. Let's see what happens. We go down, 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 down. Okay. At this point, what I do is normally when we go halfway through, I take almost like 3 to 4 contracts off. So what I want to do is let's do sell 3 here. Okay. And then I bring my stop loss low, like almost low, like around here. Now, like we're not gonna lose any money at the moment. And I'll go next, 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 next. Okay, look at that. We got stopped out, but Here's the kicker. Why are we in the loss? Let's see. I have no idea why I'm in a loss here, but we'll just go with it. So I did something wrong, obviously, not the charts. So I actually know when I did a sell here, it added 3 more contracts, and that's why I lost the money. That's what we did. Anyways, we are only down 333, and these kind of mistakes we all will do over time. That's how we learn. Okay, 9:30. 8, 10. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Ooh, I already see a sell, but I took out these highs, break of structure. Sometimes I want to take a trade when I hop on the charts. Looks like a good trade. Let's try it before 9:30. I want to do a sell trade around here. Let's do this and this. Let's do 5 so we have enough margin for the remaining of the day. We do sell 5 here. And I don't know why I didn't take the profit and loss with it, so let's do it again. Small trade. Let's do 1 to 1. 1 to 2 with 10. It reached our target before reaching our limit order. So what do you do in these scenarios? You just cancel your order. Okay, so we are at 9:30 where I usually trade. Okay, we got a big down candle. What's happening on a 15-minute chart? We took out this high. We broke structure to the downside. So I am very bearish again today. Looking for this low over here or this fair value gap. Let's mark it out as well. Go down to 5 minutes. One more thing that I want to mention is that I have the thing. I never tried it here. This is the first time I'm testing it in front of you. But normally when I trade, I have at least 3 different charts open in front of me: 15 minute, 1 hour, 1 minute, or 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour, something like that. 1 hour is always there. 15 minutes, kind of between 5 and 15, but 1 minute is also there. The reason for that is, you see, if I was looking at the 5-minute chart at this moment, I would have instantly taken a short here, right about here, with this being my stop loss and this being my target. Would be perfect trade. For how much? Any high level confluence is better than a lower time frame confluence. This is like a 1.79 trade, but it's going down, right? It will go down until here. We still have the chance. Okay, this is an order block, and let's do it. Let's go down, and at this point what we do is we go down to a 1-minute chart. What is this? I don't know what this is. Okay, so we go down to a 1-minute chart. We saw a big leg down, a little bit up, make okay. Here, I want to enter here again. Right at this point, stop around above this area. This is an order block. Not sure if it will go there, but I want to do this. And again, my target, the same place. I want to sell right there. We go, okay, halfway there. Let it go. Trade closed. It was a Thursday. Okay, let's go back why we took this trade. Very easy trade. Oh my god, I would have taken it, honestly. Internal liquidity got taken out right about here. I don't know if I've saved any templates now. Liquidity got taken out here. Let me add it. Buy side liquidity got taken out. Break off structure right about here. Market structure shift. There's MSS. A fair value gap created. Oh my god. Like everything is there. Right? Everything is there. In a perfect world, this would be my entry. This guy. Right about here, and of course target would be the same. Okay, you might be wondering why I'm taking it in the middle. Well, the reason for that is the order block here. This would be my entry. And ICT says that we should always put our stop loss here on the high, but he goes with the candle, so you know, as you can see, it didn't go above this candle either, not along the wick. We could do this, we can be aggressive with it, but this looks like a really good stop. In a perfect world, this would be a good trade, but it's not a perfect world. Let's go to the next day. Let's remove everything on the chart. I don't know why the indicator was there, and I don't know why this never goes away. For some reason, is it because of this? Yeah, okay, it's because of this. All right. Let's go to. I'm learning with you guys. It's a Friday. Thank God. Let's open 3 different charts here. Let's look at what's happening. This would be our 15-minute chart. Charts look really bad today. Okay, and there will be times that I won't be taking a trade. This would be our 1-minute chart. Okay. I don't know why that looks so different. 9:30. Why is it at 9:30? This is at 9. This is at 9:35. Huh? Why? This is at 9. 9. Not sure. Let's make this as a 15-minute chart at 9. Good. Make it 15-minute, 5-minute. Let's put our values down here. 9:30. 10. Ooh. Honestly, I was not gonna trade on a Friday anyway. Okay, now they look synced up. This is good. Let me put down some chart lines. 9:30. 8. 10. And let it play. Can we do it like this? Yes, we can. Okay. This is good. This should be a 1-minute chart. This would be a 5-minute chart. That's great. Okay. And this would be a 15-minute chart. Okay, let's do a 5-minute interval here. We are at, oh my god, we are at, oh, another bearish day. Well, what are the odds? We did 15-minute break of structure, a 5-minute break of structure, looking for a fair value gap. Now I'm gonna do it as 1 here. Market structure shift right about here. Here. Took out internal liquidity. Looking for a fair value gap now. Ooh, okay. This is also a really good thing to notice, that once we disrespect another fair value gap, that means we're not going back. We're doing a reversal. So look at this. We made a bearish fair value gap here. I don't know what's going to happen in the future, but all I know is that we disrespected this. Market structure shift around here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to look for a higher target. I'm going to go to 1-hour chart, 4-hour chart, and see what are our target. Okay, this is our target. This thing. Not that far, is it? What's happening on a 1-hour chart? Yeah, that is our target. Or we can target this high. Right about here. This one. Yeah. So this is like we are still in our 9:30 window. A risky trade. So I'm not gonna risk a lot. I'm just gonna go this 11. And then we will go target this guy and see if we lose or win. I'm gonna do buy 5 here. And then I'm gonna do buy 5 here. And let's see if it comes back and take us. It did. Let's move this here. Does it come back more? Nope. Let's see. So it does not want to come back. So what we can do here is we can just be happy about it, or we can let's look. Let's see what it do. It just want to go down. We can add to our order around here, right about here, if we are not wrong about our narrative, and keep the stop loss there. Good. Okay. Now this is our trade looks like this. It's still a really generous profit. Let's see what happens. Usually I just end my trade around 11. Okay, we went up quite up. I just want to bring this to break even, and I would try to take 5 off here, but I don't know how to take 5 off, so I'll just close at 1000. But let's see. Oh my god, it's not coming up. Oh yeah, so I want to do it around here. So in these kind of trades, we are still in profit, which is a good thing. We made $275. When the trade goes after 11, I just usually leave the trade, bring my stop loss to break even or above it a little bit, and then just leave the charts. Otherwise, I'll make bad decisions. Let's go to the next day. Excuse me. Okay. Let's mark out. Oh my god, it's so hot today. Okay. Let's mark out our times. I am actually not fully using the forever model because the forever model also includes SMT, which I don't know how to see here. Let me do this. Let me make it full. Oh, okay. Let me make these full. I don't know if this is a good idea or not, because I don't know how to place order then, you know. Anyways, we'll do it. So we have been in the charts for, we traded for 1 2 3. Today's is our 4th day. We have not traded. We are up $1,000. And anyways, let's play it. Okay, I am bearish already because I see this here, you know. There were relative equal highs. We took them out. Took this out. We took these out. And I want to see a break of structure on a 5-minute chart. Let's see. Okay, I was wrong. Not quite wrong, because we made a break of structure here, just respected this fair value gap, came into this fair value gap, tapped it. Now we are going down. Let's see what happens on a 5-minute chart, because that is a better confluence for us, because there is a lot of 1 minute, 15-20 seconds break of structures, which does not matter unless it does not align with the higher time frame. Okay. Now it aligns with the higher time frame. We made a small fair value gap here. Small fair value gap here. I want to enter this trade around here. Give it a 20. And then target here. Is it the same for 15 as well? No. Yeah, I think it's the same. It's the same, yeah. Let's do it here. Let's do sell. Let's see if it comes back. Take us. Okay, it took us. Goes back. Down, 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 down. Go down, bro. What the hell, bro? It didn't take us. Okay, it's playing with our feelings. Let's bring it down to above this fair value gap, because it goes above this, then we are cooked anyway. Yes, it didn't go down there, but we only lost like $150, something like that. Okay, it would have been a good trade if I have waited for it to come back. And took this 30 again. But who knows how that happens. And we are outside of over 11-minute window, so I'm not gonna trade. Nine 30, 10, 11. Let's wait till 9:30. Okay. So very bearish chart on a 15-minute. But we are about to hit a hourly breaker as well. So let's see what happens in the next 30 minutes. Okay, we broke structure on the 5-minute. Let me see if it disrespects this fair value gap. Okay, it did. I think it will tap this and come back. We made our first presented fair value gap right about here. And I think it will come back to this, and we'll see the reaction, what happens to the reaction. Okay. Okay, tap the auto block here. Does it go up or go down? Go up, goes up, goes up, goes up, goes up. Tap this breaker. Now it wants to come down. We took out this high over here. Let's see if we see a strong break downwards or not. Nope. We're almost out of time and it's not giving me a structure. And I think it's targeting this area. These equal highs. No trade for me today. Yep. Normally, if someone looks at it, they'll be like, "Oh, why didn't you took a long trade?" Well, because it did not match my narrative. I was very bearish looking at this. I was planning for it to go to an hourly breaker, but it did not go there. So that's why. Let me do this. Let me make it one chart, make it big, and just see what happens, right? Let's wait till 9:30 bell and see the structure. Okay, here. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. Break of structure. I'm going short for sure. Took out internal liquidity, came into this fair value gap. I'm selling market. Actually, let's do a limit. Let's do a limit order right about wherever we are at the moment. Let me go down to a 5-minute chart. Yeah. Let me do. Let me. This. And then on a 15-minute, I saw something. These guys. Yeah. I want to sell it. I will be aggressive with my stop loss. Okay, I'm gonna bring it to this top here. Good. Halfway there. I will take it off. Where? We lost it. Let's see what happens. We took out the internal liquidity again. Although this was a break of structure. Let me go down to a 1-minute chart. What went wrong? I'm always fascinated when things like these happen. And I want to see what went wrong and where I could have made a good thing. So we went into first presented fair value gap, tapped it, come back, broke the structure, inverse again, and then went down. All right, it's okay. Let's go to the next charting day, next charting day, next charting day. Today is I don't know what it is. It's Friday. And we are down. Okay. Let's look at I want to do this thing as well. I want to add everything that I know about forever model one by one. So it's easier for me to be better at my trades. So one of the things that we have to add is the opening price. We went up, so we are bearish. Technically, oh, okay, we are bearish. How much? Let's look at it. Let's look at a 4 hour. How much bearish we are? We are not that much bearish, but we are bearish. What is the high? 18303. 18303. Okay. So I can expect it to go till 50%, where I would put my line here. And see on a 1 hour chart. Okay. And then let's go to 15-minute. We broke 15-minute structure and made a fair value gap right about here. And I wanted to come back here, tap us, and go back down. What's happening on a 5-minute chart? We also have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. On trades like these, sometimes I wanna, but okay, now I'm confused here because we have equal highs here as well. Okay, no, it took it out. It took it out. 18301, 18302. Yeah, it took it out. Okay. Let's see if it comes back. Oh, look at that. It come back. I want to go short here, but I want to go short here as here. I want to go short here. Here. And I want to go short until here. And when you are like really confident on your trades, mostly, what you want to do is that you should go heavy. I am $400 plus, so I'm willing to risk that. Let's do 20 here. If it takes us, we are risking every profit that we earned by now. And actually, that's not a good thing to do. Let's do half of it and then do it. Okay. Ooh, what about that? Let's go down to 1 minute chart and see why that happened. Break of structure. This is the first break of structure here. Came back into that order block. Wow. I know what happened here. This might be a news day and I didn't know about it. That's one of the problems with backtesting, that I don't know if it was a news day or not. And we don't trade on news day. Probably that day. Anyways, ending the week negative 108. It's okay. I'm also learning. You guys learn with me. Okay. So let's see what happened after that. Broke structure will come back in this area. And actually will come back in this area. And so normally there is one concept with ICT which is I really like it. It's the breaker idea, which is this that this thing here is a breaker, right? So what we can do is we can normally take a trade around here, put our stop below it, and we can do 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, something like that, and be content with it, because breakers are like really strong things like this. But I wouldn't consider this as a valid trade because I already saw it going up, but I was just showing you that how far it can go. And then we can also look for our targets where we want to go. Like, look at this can be our target if you are playing breakers. So 10, 11. What else can be our target around here? Oh, this can be our target as well, which it took out. Or on an hourly chart. Yeah, this can be our target anyways. We go down to 5 minute. Ooh. Go back to 5 minute and see what's happening there. Someone told me that price action last year was really brutal around this time, and I can see it back testing. It's making me cry. Okay. So this was a breaker as well. I just lined it out and wanted to see what happens if we did that. Remember in the start I pointed this level out that it will go there. It went there. I didn't stay with my my strategy, which was the problem. I actually did stay with my strategy, but I didn't wait here. It was probably a news day. That's why it just picked down and went up. Um, but bada ding, bada boom. That's what happened. Normally, I would wait until 10 for it to settle down. Look at the breakout structure. If I was being patient, honestly, I would have taken this trade. But now we took this trade, which just tapped down and went up, which was not a good thing. Patience gives you fruit and reward, and be patient with it. Let me just quickly reiterate the forever model. I'm pretty sure that here ES would have already taken this high, and there would be an SMT, and we would break structure. So normally how it goes is there is an SMT here, something with ES, so SMT, and then there is a break of structure here, and then when that break of structure happens, normally in that break of structure we have a fair value gap. And one more thing that you have to add in that forever model, that look at this, a big leg up, a fair value gap, right, got disrespected by another fair value gap, which was also a good entry. uh, and then it just throw you, if you are really good at it, you have conviction in the model, you see the SMT, you see the fair value gap being disrespected there. Let's go down to 15 minutes, 15 seconds. So on a 15-second chart, we already broke the structure. So we would have entered here. Price is fractal, it doesn't matter if it's 15-minute. But the main thing with time frames is that you have to have a higher time frame confluence. You have to align your trades with a higher time frame. Anyways, this was an entry. This was an entry. This would be my entry because I see a market structure shift, big fair value gap, SMT. Yeah, nothing else to see. I would target these lows over here. All right, guys. I'm actually tired from just 2 weeks of May, and we'll continue this session again tomorrow. It's already been an hour. See you.